Hello YouTube, this is one of my everyday carry knives. Also, I haven't been on here in a while, in over a year. My name is Mr. Rogers 007, and I'm going to show you some of my knives I've gained since last making a video. And this is one of my favorites of all time, really. This is the Overbore. This is a Ruger and CRKT collaboration. The blade was designed by Matthew Lurch, okay, and you can see the design of this. I really love it. It's very sharp, very pretty. I just love this knife. The Overbore. It's still a little tight. Like I say, I carry this knife every day. It is one of my favorites. But it's a very, very pretty, very sharp knife. Frame lock, stonewash handle with the Ruger emblem. This kind of yellow colorway, which is nice. Okay, we give you some specs on the blade. The blade length is 2.9 inches long. Also, it's a plain edge, as you can see. The blade steel is HCR13 MOV. The thickness of the blade is, you're looking at 0.110 tenths of an inch, hundredths of an inch. Close length, this knife is right at 4 inches long. The weight on it is very lightweight. It's 3.4 ounces. Okay, the handle, the stainless steel handle is made from a different steel. It is 2CR13. And of course, you know it's frame lock. I showed you that. Very good clip, very sturdy. I've bent a lot of clips on just about all my knives. This one has held up very well. And the overall length, you're looking right at under 7 inches. So, like I said, this is one of my favorites out of all my knives I have. And I'll show you a couple other ones. I'll do separate videos on each knife. But this one is the Overbore, made by Ruger and CRKT. Alright, I'm not going to show the other knives right at this moment. I'll do separate videos. I'll put them out and I'll keep y'all updated. Thank you.